YouTube is full of faceless channel ideas, but there are hardly any USA-based faceless channel ideas. If you don't know, let me tell you that USA-based channels earn 10 times more. That means if I'm earning $70 for 100 views on an Indian channel, I'll get $700 for the same on a USA channel. But to start a USA-based channel, you'll have to choose a niche that interests the USA audience. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you 20 such channels that manage to get monetized with very few videos, and they are earning hundreds of thousands to millions per month because their audience is USA-based. These channels are completely new, and 99% of people don't know about them because they are hidden channels that are going to grow a lot in the future. So if you watch this video till the end, you'll have already grown before the crowd arrives. So let's start with the very first channel idea, which is Runway Fable. This channel has gained 2,000 subscribers with just 4 videos, and creating this kind of channel is very easy. What this channel does is, it provides information about old celebrities or models who have disappeared or been overshadowed over time. Now, since the supermodels are obviously from the USA, the channel is also getting views from the USA. Their videos use AI voice and B-roll footage. That's why the editing is super easy, which you can even do on CapCut. But you'll be surprised to know that the RPM for this niche ranges from $2 to $4. All you have to do is use ChatGPT to find out about 100 such models, paste the script into 11 labs and generate the voiceover. After that, just sit down and edit in CapCut and you'll start earning lakhs per month. This channel itself is proof of how interested the US audience is in such things. The very first video went viral. Now coming to the next channel idea. Rare Cars Toys. If you're interested in cars, then this channel idea is perfect for you. This channel uses AI voice to talk about different engines and cars. Their videos are easy to edit because they also use B-rolls. But the good news is that the RPM of this channel will be between $5 to $9. The reason is that this channel is about cars, which is a huge industry. And if you manage to grow a channel like this in the future, even major car brands might approach you with sponsorships. In India, people aren't that interested in the details of cars, but abroad, most people are very interested in everything from the car's engine to its spare part 7 down to the smallest nuts. That's why, if you want to capture a US audience, this channel idea is quite effective. Number 3 is Torquio. This is also a car-related channel, but instead of going into the detailing of car parts, this channel provides general information about cars. Basically, why was a certain car discontinued, which car is overrated, etc, etc. This is the kind of information that you can easily get from ChatGPT, and with the help of this very information, this channel has completed 21,000 subscribers, and that too with just 42 videos. And the editing style of this channel is also very simple. You can easily create this yourself. But the thing is, this channel basically brings together the car community, combining information with entertainment. So if you want to start a channel like this, make sure you begin with some knowledge about the cars community. And not to mention, the RPM of this channel ranges from $5 to $9. Coming to the 4th channel, Combat Capital. Just like there's a craze for IPL in India, in the US there's a similar craze for UFC fights, boxing and MMA. And Combat Capital is just such a channel that makes small documentaries related to all these sports. For example, how a player's downfall happened, what are the different ways to win in the UFC, etc, etc. Basically, from news to education, this channel covers everything. Now, the special thing about this niche is that there will never be a shortage of content here, because these sports are never going to stop. And you don't even need to think too much in this niche, because you just have to talk about what's in the news and generate content from the articles that are being published. The RPM of this channel can range from $2 to $5. You could say that this is the best cash counting machine. Coming to the next channel, Calculated. This channel has gained nearly 10,000 subscribers with just 5 videos. And you won't believe what this channel does. This channel just plays games. And by playing games, this person gets an RPM of $2 to $4. Now the reason behind this channel's success is that it plays games that have a story, and this person completes those games. So basically the audience gets a chance to watch an entire game. If you have played Shadow Fight 2, then you would know what a story game is. You don't have to do much, just play the game every day. After that, once the story is complete, cut out the interesting parts of the game and upload them with a voiceover. This channel has gained so many subscribers with just 5 videos. So just imagine for yourself how much interest kids must have in this channel. The point is, you don't even need to complete the entire game like this channel did. Instead, you can complete each chapter of the game or even just one stage within a week's time and upload it. You can upload the entire game story in parts. And once you've completed the game, you can combine them into a new longer video. That video is sure to get you millions of views. And if your channel grows, I don't even need to tell you how much money there is in gaming. Coming to the 6th channel, Nitros 13. This is a channel where you don't even need to do voiceovers, and still, you can earn an RPM of $2 to $5. What this channel does is record gameplay. Forza Horizon 5 is a game where you can drive cars and reconstruct them, or basically you can customize them according to your preferences. Now, while this isn't any special gameplay, the reason this channel is successful is because of its packaging. Basically, this person records the gameplay in high resolution, and instead of titling the video as just gameplay, he focuses on a specific activity, which is rebuilding the car. Every single one of his videos is almost the same. For the first 5 minutes he drives the car, then for 5 to 10 minutes he customizes it, and then he drives it again. Now, I don't really understand the logic behind this, but one thing is certain, the US audience is definitely watching this. If you want to try something with less effort, you can copy this channel. Just make sure your thumbnails are good. The 7th channel is Clipper Flipper. This channel has gained 34,000 subscribers with just 30 videos. And what does this channel do? This channel tells the stories of famous ships through animation. For example, how the Titanic sank, which other ships sank like the Titanic, etc, etc. The RPM of this channel is nearly coming, but it goes up to $2. The reason being that it's also an educational channel, and at the same time, it's talking about ships, which fall under the luxury industry. One special thing about this channel is that you don't even have to do voiceovers. You just need to generate the sound and use any AI to add motion to it, after which you can combine everything in any editing software and your video is ready. There are very few channels on YouTube related to ships and this industry, so you can capture this niche. The next channel is Vice. This channel has gained more than 55,000 subscribers with just 52 videos, and it started only 2 months ago. This channel falls under the self-development category, and you'll be surprised to know how high its RPM is. The RPM of this channel ranges from 6 to 12, which is one of the highest RPM niches, and creating this channel is not a difficult task at all. There are already thousands of channels and videos related to self-development on YouTube. All you have to do is use ChatGPT to slightly modify their scripts, after which comes the editing part. The reason behind this channel's growth is its packaging, meaning its thumbnails and branding. The animations it creates can easily be made on Canva as well. So if you actually want to make big money with a US audience, you can literally copy this channel entirely. Coming up to the 9th channel, Trust Me Bro. This channel has gained more than 617,000 subscribers with just 68 videos, and that too within just 1 year. What this channel does is create informational content on interesting and conspiracy related topics, but in a slightly entertaining way, and that too with basic animation. Now, people already like conspiracy theories, and when you add a humor element to them, it becomes a perfect combo. The RPM of this channel is nearly $6 to $8, and this channel is already earning up to $20,000 a month because it falls under the education category. The reason behind this channel's fast growth is its basic animation and scripting. You can get the scripting done by any AI, but you'll have to handle the animation yourself. If you are interested in learning animation, you can check out my friend OP Animation's channel. He is teaching animation for free on his channel. Trust me bro, the channel is a really great opportunity because right now it has no competitors. So the sooner you start something like this, the better it will be. Coming to the 10th channel, The Analyst. This channel has amazed me the most so far because its concept is very unique and simple. On this channel, you will literally find information related to anything. For example, every scary movie character in 60 minutes, or the adult film genre in 13 minutes, or unsolved mysteries in 16 minutes. Basically, whenever any topic comes to this guy's mind, like mystery or adult films, he makes a list of all the mysteries or categories in the world and shares it with people, just in a slightly humorous way. This channel also uses basic animation, but it's very simple because you can make it on Canva or through ChatGPT, and you won't believe how much this channel is earning. This channel is probably earning nearly $10,000 to $15,000 a month because its category is education, and that too with a US audience, which is why this channel is getting an RPM of $6 to $10. The 11th channel is Who Died Today US. The concept of this channel is very unique. What this channel does is, it shares which American legend died today. Now, after reading the name and title, it seems like this channel will tell you who died today. But actually, what this channel does is share who had died on this date in the past. For example, if today is April 20th, it shares which American legend died on April 20th. Now, whether it was the year 2025, 1800 or even 1700, it doesn't matter. And another thing, although they always write legend in the title, it's not necessary that the person was actually a legend. Every person contributes something to society. So this just exaggerates that a bit and presents it in an emotional way so that it can hook the audience. Just think about it yourself if I say that on this day, our great man Mukesh attained martyrdom. In the year 1700, he fought for freedom. Literally, none of you have enough time to go and verify this information, and I don't know why, but the US audience is watching this. Obviously, their maximum audience is likely to be 30 plus, because of whom the channel's RPM also increases. This is a kind of news channel, so the channel's RPM will be between $3 to $6. This is the easiest channel, because here, you just have to use AI voice and every day, search on Google to pick out the names of 3 people, then use ChatGPT to find out their backstory or current situation. After that, for editing, you just need to show some images as B-rolls, and that too without much animation, and your video will be ready to publish. The 12th channel is Global Watch. This is a kind of news documentary channel that covers global news, meaning it covers every country in the world. On such a channel, you get not only a US audience but also audiences from other countries, which ultimately makes your channel's RPM very high. This channel started just 6 months ago and is already about to reach 33,000 subscribers. The RPM of such a channel easily ranges from $6 to $8 because its content falls under the education category rather than news. Now creating videos like this is very easy. Every day, something or the other keeps happening in geopolitics. So whatever things the news channels show, you just have to present them in a better way and show them to your audience. You can literally take the news articles that are published, use ChatGPT to improve them a bit and upload them to your channel. As it is, even if you just pay a little attention to light editing and such, you can easily beat this channel too. Coming to the 13th channel, Venus MBS. This channel has been going extremely viral recently. The reason is that this channel creates anime motivation content. Earlier, motivational videos used to have B-rolls, but the new generation is more inspired by anime characters. And taking advantage of this channel replaced B-rolls with anime clips and creates motivational videos using 11 Labs voice. Now, since anime is extremely popular in foreign countries, it's easier to attract a US audience through it. This channel's RPM is around $5 because it makes motivational videos that actually attract a teenage audience. This channel is easy to create. You just need to spend a little time gathering clips because you'll have to change the clips every 3 to 5 seconds. Now, so that you don't waste too much time, I've already prepared a bundle of anime clips for you, in which you'll find plenty of high quality anime clips. You can access this bundle on my store for just 199 rupees. Once you make the payment, you'll receive a message on your email. If you click on Get Your Product there, you'll get your product, which you can directly download and save to your gallery. Once you have the clips, all you need to do is take any old motivational video from the channel. You just need to copy it and have ChatGPT make slight changes to it. After that, again get the voiceover generated from 11 Labs and the rest of the work will become easy for you. There are still very few people in this list because they aren't getting anime clips. So if you want to make money, this is the best time. The channel to get into this is number 14. Military Aviation. This channel started just 3 weeks ago and has already gained more than 27,000 subscribers. The US audience is very interested in army related stuff and military aviation provides just such a concept. It creates videos by merging clips of aircraft which don't even have voiceovers, and still these videos are getting so many views. And you will be surprised, but this channel is easily earning an RPM of 5 to 8. You can create videos of this type and honestly you can make them even better. Airshow's Video is a channel that uploads clips of aircraft taking off. So you can cut those videos and with an AI voiceover, create a perfect channel that will grow within just a few months and attract a US audience as well. Challenge. Number 15 is Kninepedia. This channel is my favorite because it has gained more than 30 subscribers in just 3 months. And the amazing thing is that the creator hasn't put in any effort at all for any of the videos on this channel because every single video is AI generated. What this channel does is provide information and tips about dogs. In India, we don't take pets as seriously as foreigners do. They are literally extremely interested in every little activity of their pets. That's why in this niche, you can easily get an RPM ranging from $3 to $6. And what's even better is that you get plenty of sponsors here as well. So whatever you earn from AdSense is one thing, but with sponsors, you can earn 3 times more. And even through affiliate links, there's a lot of money to be made here. Now let me tell you how to make these videos. What this channel does is, it finds trending topics related to dogs, then gets the entire script written with the help of AI, basically using ChatGPT. And then, they paste the script into a platform like InVideo AI. And after that, InVideo AI takes care of everything else, from generating the voiceover to adding B-roll footage. It takes them less than an hour to make such videos. That's why there are 81 videos on this channel in just 3 months. Now coming to the 16th channel, NBA Zone. Basketball, or you could say the NBA, is like the IPL of the US. And not to mention, it's extremely popular not just in the US, but even on the African side as well. And anything that's popular, news about it is made and it goes viral too. In the same way, this channel called NBA Zone provides news and information related to basketball. The good thing is that while this channel isn't very active, its older videos have still received a pretty good number of views. This means that the market for it is still available. There is demand here, but no one is supplying it. So if you start a similar type of channel, you'll benefit a lot. This channel also falls under the sports category. That's why you can easily get an RPM of $3 here. And with a $3 RPM and 1 million views, you can earn a huge amount of money. Again, the content creation process for this is not very difficult. As soon as the news comes out, search for an article about it online, put it into ChatGPT to get it enhanced, then generate a voiceover using a real human-like voice, edit it with B-roll footage, and upload it. The only issue with this channel is that you have to stay active on it. And if you want to run the channel for the long term, then along with news, also share player biographies and documentaries so that your RPM increases. Number 17 channel is Liverpool FC Insider. Now that we've talked about so many sports, how can we leave out one of the most loved sports? Liverpool FC Insider is a channel that shares football news and creates related content. And guess what? The craze for football is so high that this channel has gained more than 7,000 subscribers in just 2 months. Now, this channel does exactly the same work as the previous one, presenting the news in a slightly better way. Again, on this channel, consistency is what really matters. Even if you make videos just using normal B-roll, it will still work. The RPM of this channel also ranges from $3 to $6. You can use AI voice to turn European audiences into subscribers as well. And if you didn't know, European audiences are actually more valuable than US audiences. Number 18 is the channel Quiz Sloth. A lot of people are going to feel bad after seeing this channel because watching it will make you realize how easy it is to make money on YouTube, and yet you still aren't able to do it. Quiz Sloth is a quiz channel that creates quizzes using images. If you haven't seen channels like this before, let me tell you that kids under 10 years old or teenagers watch these kinds of channels a lot. For them, it's like a quiz game that keeps them engaged until the end of the video. And to your surprise, the RPM of this channel ranges from $1 to $3, which is several times higher than my own channel. The reason is simple. Kids from all corners of the world watch these kinds of channels, and if the content is in English, the majority of the audience is from the US. Kids over there pretty much have an iPad in their hands 24/7 anyway. Creating videos like this channel is actually very easy. You can literally use Canva templates to make channels like these. Just add an AI voice in the background to make the video more engaging. Even this channel started just 7 months ago, and as you can see, it has already gained over 100,000 subscribers. Channel number 19 is Soul String Stories. The channels that have grown the most using AI are story channels, and Soul String Stories is one such channel. This channel shares heartwarming stories in English, and that too with AI generated images. And by doing this, it has gained 32,000 subscribers in just 5 months. Creating this kind of content is so easy that the channel uploads 4 videos every day. And this channel is also easily getting a $2 RPM. That means you can literally automate everything with AI and make an extra 100,000 rupees a month, and you won't even have to do anything yourself. You can take stories from novels and such, or you can twist them and create your own using your imagination with the help of ChatGPT. The process for voiceover and editing is again the same, and there isn't much effort required in editing this either. They've completed the entire video using just 3 or 4 images. This is one of the easiest channels that even a 12-year-old child can run. Now coming to the last channel, Mystery Man. This channel has gained more than 80,000 subscribers in just 10 months, and this channel also easily gets a $2 RPM. What this channel does is that it combines scary footage, or you could say videos that have something unusual, paranormal or scary in them, and then adds commentary to them. Making this kind of channel is very easy. You just have to find scary videos and add commentary over them. And if you want, you can even do it with an AI voice. You'll find plenty of scary videos on YouTube and Facebook. There are lots of such incidents that get recorded on camera and people upload them to YouTube. In fact, Reddit and the dark web are full of this kind of content. If you download clips from there, you'll have content that no one else has uploaded to YouTube. But in this niche, keep one thing in mind. Never show blood or anything like that, which could get your video restricted. If you do come across something like that, make sure to blur it completely. Now, these were the B channel ideas that you can copy and target the US audience with. But this video doesn't end here. I have more B channel ideas as well, because very few people know about these unique and lesser known channel ideas, and copying them is extremely easy once someone discovers them. I have decided to share these valuable channel ideas with you in this video. The reason I am comfortable sharing them now is that I have already uploaded them in the Academy section of my website, where they are safely stored for those who are truly interested in learning and growing. If you are not familiar with it, let me explain. Academy is a special members only area on my website where I regularly share premium, high quality knowledge, tips and strategies with all of you. This is knowledge that is not commonly available elsewhere, and in fact very few people are even aware of it. You could even call it insider information, the kind of insights that can give you a real edge. Even if you are not interested in joining the Academy right now, that's completely fine and not a problem at all. I would still highly recommend that you visit the website at least once just to explore and see what's available. I'm confident that you'll find something valuable or interesting there, whether it's a resource, a guide or just some inspiration. If you have already checked out the website and are now considering starting your own YouTube channel or a similar project but feel unsure about how to grow it or take it to the next level, then I strongly suggest you watch this particular video of mine. In that video, I have openly shared all the knowledge, experience and practical tips that I have gathered over the past 3 years, and I'm offering it to you completely free of charge. After watching it, you will have a much clearer understanding of how YouTube works, and you will literally feel like a YouTube master, ready to take on new challenges. So thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep learning.